So, thank you. Okay, sorry. Sebenarnya pola prank. Sini nun kamera. Hello, what's up guys? Kembali bersama saya. Kembali bersama aku nama aku Presley. Okay, so hari tu aku akan agak prank. Aku akan prank about aku tu orang dari Singapura. Dan aku hanya nemu jago English, bukan jago Kai. Dan aku akan nanya bad ini bisi Burger King basi. After that, udah aku jago in English. So aku akan act like someone call aku, seorang call aku, dan aku akan jago depend on that person. Nanti orangnya Iban, aku akan jago Iban. Nanti orangnya Melayu Sarawak, aku jago Melayu Sarawak. Saya akan mendapat ni reaction si Daya. So hari tu aku nak kediri, aku ngau kru aku lagi keliong. Oh, cameraman kediri, clearan in the house. Okay guys, so ingat, this is our first video. So minta ampun tu yang mak bisi sound quality namanya, so video quality namanya kau. Kami minta ampun terjemahnya namanya sebab itu adalah first video kami. Oke, nyajak ngai penjajako hari hangat. Harap kita go to the action. Aku lupa stereotype. Aku lupa main aku mic. Oke, kena sound lebih clear. So aku kena pulai rumah dulu, nuka baju. Sebab baju aku tuh kalau pedak cekungkeh mic tadi tu. So aku kena pulai dulu, ambil mic and then we go. Oke guys, so dia tuh kita udah pulai ngambil my mic and nuka baju. Oke, so let's go. Excuse me, where can I find Burger King here?
Burger King?
Yeah.
You go to the market.
There? There market?
Market.
Oh.
In front market.
They sell burger there?
Yeah.
What type of burger?
Many lah.
Many type? Oh, because I'm looking for that burger with a sandwich inside it and the potato inside it.
Sandwich.
Yeah.
Put sandwich.
Put sandwich there? Oh.
You go to the market.
That market? Which market?
You use this road.
This road? Right.
You see this bus station.
That bus station there?
Bus station.
They got sell burger there?
Bruh.
Wow.
You go here.
Oh, right there. Right. Wait. My friend go. Hello. Dia tahu kau bawa spray dia tahu.
No.
Nah, you nanya apa kena begitu. Okay. Alai kau ada berapa? Okay. Where just now?
Ada Iban.
Iban. Excuse me, can I find Burger King here?
Huh?
Where can I find Burger King here? Burger King. Burger.
Burger?
Yeah, burger.
I don't know lah. Burger. Ini bukan. Ini orang jual burger.
Like burger.
Burger, ya, tu dalam Premier tu.
Sorry, I can speak Malay. I'm from Singapore. Yeah. I'm looking for a burger.
Burger?
Yeah.
Premier.
Burger King. Alright. Did they sell like? Is there any mashed potato? Is there any? No. I'm just asking. Is there any mashed potato? No. Alright. Wait. Someone calling. Where?
Why are you running?
Hello. Dito, kau baca mana tu? Excuse me. Where I can find any calamari here? Calamari. Yeah, it's a seafood, you know. Where can I find it right here?
Oh, you must go to the market, Cebu Market Central.
Oh, Cebu Market Central. Is it this way?
This way.
Uh-huh.
This way. The Cebu Market, the big one. The Cebu Market Central.
Oh, it's got the calamari there.
Yeah.
Is it with the potato maize? Also? Also with the potato maize there?
Also.
Alright.
The big one, the Cebu Central Market.
Cebu Central Market. Is it
go to...
like how many hours to go there?
No, You just walk 5 minutes only.
That 5 minutes
Only.
Oh,
There.
right over there.
This you go this.
Yeah.
Bus station.
Yeah.
Bus
After that,
station. After bus station, Cebu Central. The
Alright.
big one.
the big one.
The big
Alright.
one. That's into Cebu.
Alright.
Cebu Central Market.
Okay, so I must go there then. Right.
Okay. Cebu Central Market.
Cebu Central Market, right?
You have to go.
Oh no, my friend called me. Try to talk. So Cebu Central Market is there, right? Right. Hello. Dito ako bawa express dito. Ako nanya pero dini no muli sa tuwa daray. Okay. Yes, ni ba? Okay. Oh, so over there.
Yeah, over there.
Over there.
Cebu Central Market.
Where can I find calamari here? Calamari.
Calamari.
Yeah. Where can I find calamari here? The calamari
Calamari, what is
it is seafood. It is a seafood. Yeah.
seafood? Makanan. Tempat ang makan.
It's seafood.
Seafood. I don't know lah.
Because I thought it was somewhere here, right? Because
Sana. Cuma gimana? Oh betul. Kan betul lah, ho.
Where?
Many mana ada.
Oh, over there.
Over there.
Oh, is it? Oh, is it got like the orange one with it? Right? The orange one. It's almost like squid, but it's a bit larger than squid.
We don't know lah.
Oh, you guys.
Thailand.
Right.
From this
Alright.
to
Alright. Sorry, my friend called. Right?
Okay.
Hello. Situ di taman situ aku. Cik, nanya orang kat sini mau cari sotong. Tu yang saya tahu. Okay. Kelak aku tunggu. Okay, masih. Okay, so thank you. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Sebenarnya make pola prank. Okay. Sini nun kamera. Okay. Prank ya tu, mana dia? Yan, mulai kira. Sorry bro, thank you. Sorry bro, nonde ya, aku ngerekam video deh tau. Yan, kabar tu. Aku ngerekam video. Sorry bro. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, kita udah mendak. Thank you for watching. Alright, semua yang tadi ada prank kita. Okay, sorry kena boleh main ambil scene, kena boleh main gini-gini sebab it's not that easy. Okay, senang agaknya. So aku harap kita semua show us support by liking, sharing, or subscribe to my channel. And guys, thank you. We already did it. Okay, kita dah nego 1K subscriber. Alright. So untuk video yang seterusnya, tolong komen baru. Okay, baru tahu kita share dia. Okay, komen. And mari kami nama terpatut agak mudah tahu. Okay, thank you. That's all. I love you guys. Stay tuned.
Yeah. Tak boleh chill bro, tak boleh chill bro. Tak boleh chill bro, tak boleh chill bro. Tak boleh chill bro, tak boleh chill bro.